Hello guys, I have already provided accounts unit 1 annuity PDF Q&A in paid group. This video is for a quick review of this unit. My intention here is to cover all the topics in this unit in a single video for exam point of view. So what is annuity? Annuity is a multiple cash flow. Means a sum of money payable yearly or at other regular intervals. For an example, recurring deposit or loan EMI which we pay at the end of the month. Okay, so here annuity is divided into two types based on we pay at the end of the interval or at the beginning of the interval. If we pay at the end of the interval, it is called ordinary annuity. If we pay at the beginning of the interval, we call it as annuity due. Remember like this, if we pay at beginning of the month, annuity due A and B. If we pay at the end of the month, we call it as ordinary annuity. Ordinary and end. Okay, AB, ordinary, end. Remember like this. In question, they might also mention like annuity, which is also called ordinary annuity, and immediate annuity, which is also called annuity due. Okay, so further this ordinary annuity and annuity due divided into future value and present value. To clear this, let me explain with an example. Suppose we have invested today 100 rupees at 10% interest for an year. Then after 1 year, it becomes 110 rupees, right? This 100 rupees which we are investing today is called the present value of 100 rupees. The future value is that value which will be the value in the future. Okay, so now we will go through these formulas: ordinary annuity, annuity due. This ordinary annuity future value, this formula is very crucial. With this we can derive other formulas too. So P into 1 plus R whole power T minus 1 by R. P means principal or the amount which we invest. So R rate of interest, not in percentage, T time period, either monthly, quarterly, half yearly or yearly. Okay, so to get present value, simple, we have to divide this formula by 1 plus R whole power T. To get annuity due future value, we have to multiply this formula with 1 plus R. Annuity due present value we can get by simple multiplication of 1 plus R to this formula. So please observe a note point here guys. I have mentioned R, rate of interest, not in percentage, because if in question they have given R as 10%, we substitute this as 10 by 100, not as 10 in the formulas. Okay, remember this. So one more note point is, in the question, examiner will clearly mention the terms present or beginning of the interval or end of the interval. So that whenever we'll notice these terms, we'll get to know which formula we have to use. For example, if in the question present term is there, we have to use this present value formulas. Okay, if beginning term is there, then we have to use this annuity due formulas. So rest of the cases, mostly we will use this annuity due, ordinary annuity future value formula only. Here one more term, sinking fund. So if we will see in the question, then we have to use ordinary annuity future value formula for sinking fund. So what is this sinking fund? Sinking fund means depositing for any future purpose, for example for girls' marriage or for children's studies, etc. So we have to use this formula for sinking fund. Now we'll see EMI, equated monthly installment. To calculate EMI, this is the formula. So to help you remember this, please look into this ordinary annuity present value formula. Here consider this P value as EMI and reverse all these terms to left side, and PV is considered as P value here. Just to remember, I am mentioning this. So EMI is equal to P into R into 1 plus R whole power T divided by 1 plus r whole power t minus 1. So remember like this. So till now we had discussion on 5 formulas. In all these, rate of interest and time period plays vital role in getting final answer. In a question, we have to observe the terms annually, half yearly, quarterly or monthly. Based on this, for half yearly we have to divide r by 2 and multiply t with 2. Same for quarterly, 4 we have to use, monthly 12. Okay, normally for EMI, examiner won't mention anything in the question because we have to pay monthly, right? So there we will take monthly case only. If particularly examiner mentioned yearly or something like that, so we have to change R and T accordingly. Okay, so we'll go to the, suppose examiner has given directly present value or future value, then this formula can be used, which we used earlier while getting this PV formula. If we'll substitute FV, we can get PV value directly. Okay, and for effective R percentage, then this formula can be used. This is the equation we have used here in ordinary annuity future value, 1 plus r whole power t minus 1. This is effective R percentage formula. So now we will discuss rule 72. What is rule 72? It is a calculation that estimates the number of years it takes to double our money at a specified rate of return. For example, if we earns 4% interest rate in our bank account, to get the number of years it will take for our money to get double, we can use this rule 72. Means here interest is 4%, right? So 72 by 4. So in 8 years our money will get double. Okay, so our next part is most crucial part. Now the usage of the calculator. Now we try to do this one, 1.1 whole power 12. So for this, first we have to click 1.1 in calculator, multiplication symbol and equal to symbol 11 times. Just see now, I'll show it in my calculator. 1.1 whole power 12, 1.1. Okay, multiply symbol and equal to symbol 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11 times I have clicked. So 3.13842. Okay, the same for 1.05 whole power 180. Here we can't go on clicking equal to symbol 179 times. So easier way to do is we can write 180 factors like 3, 360, 18 multiplied by 10, 9 multiplied by 20. So here we'll take the factors where difference is less. Okay, so now here we'll take 18 and 10 here. So 1.05 whole power 18 into 1.05 whole power 10. For this 1.05 into multiplication symbol and equal to 17 times, and again multiplication symbol and equal to 9 times. Okay, just this is very important. So 1.05 into equal to 17 times. And again multiplication symbol equal to 9 times. 9. So somewhere I missed. 1.05 multiply again multiplication symbol 9 times. 6517.391. Okay, so here is the assignment question, guys. Please do it and verify the answer. It will be the approximate value. Okay, thank you.